a true testimony?
Well, this is a true testimony. I remember years ago, when I was really walking with the Lord. hmm, Not like now. Me there about 90%, but may I tell you, say, when me did there about 99.5% with God. Hmm? And may I tell you, say, me broke and I have no money. Not even $1 to put on the next one. But me love go to church. So this particular Sunday afternoon, me say me just go on easy back. Me never plan for really go to church. But, you know, me hear my neighbor call me and I ask if me I go to church. Somebody lie down in the bed. I just jump up and get myself together and say, yes, me I go to church. On the way to church, she stop and talk to somebody and me stand up and wait on her. Like one spirit say, you step on something, just bend down and take it up. And bend down and take it up because rain had fall and the place is kind of like a wet and the place dark again because a countryside you live. So when we reach another light now, whatever me did take up, me take it out and look on it. $2,000. I said, my goodness. Remember, it's not like say when you step on the money, you know say money you step on. Okay? It not feel or anything. I just the spirit said to me say, take up. And then me and her walk and I go on and me said to her, say, how much you believe in a God? She said, yes, she believe. So say me find something, me find her money, and eventually me give her $500 out of the money, and me have $1,500. And say a good time now when things did cheap. And that $1,500 they buy me grocery. And for her $500, our daughter came the morning, asked for a little something to take her child to the hospital. And she give her the $500. So God is really good. And the same God back then are the same God now. And I tell you, God still a work for me. Him still a work for me. Hmm? There's never a time that I ask God for something that I don't get it. It must not good for me. Anytime I not get it, it not good for me. I'm not worry because me know it not good for me. But once I something good for me, God always come true for me.